Alright, what's good, YouTube? Look, this is what I'm about to show y'all, man, how to get them PipsAllYear charts real quick, man. So go to TradingView.com, TradingView.com. Sign up if you ain't already, get a free account or a pro account. Pro account better so you can get all the indicators that we about to use. So you wanna go to the ticker, click the space bar or whatever, go to Forex, click a random pair, click full feature chart. You're gonna come to a screen, it's gonna look like this. Alright, you're gonna have little volume bars at the bottom. First thing you wanna do is click the little thing over here on the side, this arrow, click the X on that indicator, take that off, and that should make it clear like this. Then you want to right click on the screen, click settings, right? And what you want to do is you want everything to look like my screen, so I'm going to change it to mine, and that's basically this. So change your screen, change your colors, your bodies, change your bodies to whatever you prefer. So I got blue, dark blue border, black border, gray wicks. And you want everything to be checked off, look the same, just like this. I'm gonna go to status line, make sure everything checked off, look like this. Pause screen wherever you feel. Scales, appearance, you want to make a white background. Your vertical and grid lines and everything, you want to bring your opacity down to 0%. You don't want to show none of that, and you want everything to look like this. Trading, you want everything to look like this. Events, you want to show economic events on chart. Unclick that, check that off. Alright, so now that I clear your charts up, chart should be clear. So then the first thing you want to do, you want to come to indicators over here, and you want to type in fractal. Type in fractal and click Rachel T. Click fractals and Rachel T. When it comes up, click the little arrow, go to your fractals, and you want to click the settings. Go over to inputs, click show higher high, lower low, change your time frame to 60. Click OK. After that, your chart should look like this. Then you want to add 2 more indicators. Go to indicators, type in moving average. You want to click moving average once, then you want to click moving average exponential once. 2 more indicators gonna pop up. So you want to go to EMA, right? You want to go to EMA, click settings, change that to 21. Go to style, change the color to blue. Click OK. Then this should pop up. Then you want to go to MA. Go to settings, make sure it's red, change that to 50. Then it should look like that. If you got the pro version of TradingView, you can add this extra indicator, but you come over here, type in FXN space hyphen week and day separator. Click that. Let's show that. You want to come over here to inputs, change your week line color to blue. And you want to show days separator and days on our chart. Show days of week. Right? And that's all you gotta do, click OK. Now your charts look just like mine. Now you will go to the 1 hour, and now you see the days separated, and you can see your movement in between days. Alright, one more last thing. You gotta set up your you gotta set up your field retracement. So you come over here, it should have a little pitchfork on it at first. You want to click that and come down to field retracement. Click field retracement. Click anywhere on the screen, drag it out, click again. Then you want to come over to your settings. You want your chart to look just like mine. You want your fields to look just like mine. So you go to style and make everything look just like this. Extend lines right. This whole part right here, pause the screen. Change any numbers or whatever. Change the colors, make it look just like this. except for these unchecked boxes. You don't have to worry about the unchecked boxes, only the checked boxes. Make sure the check boxes are on there with the appropriate colors and the appropriate numbers. Alright, pause that. Then you go down, and then you see that. Then you want to take your background off. Make sure everything is checked like this. Levels, percents, labels, right, top. Click OK. Then your fib should look like mine. If it doesn't look like mine, you gotta go back. Alright. That's how you set up your PipsAllYear charts, man. Let's run down a quick strategy for y'all. So we're gonna do, these are your things. You basically do a higher time frame markup and then a lower time frame entry. So this is your table. So if you go from the month, you go to the day, week, 4, hour, daily to the hour, 1 hour to the 15 minute to the 5 minute. Cool. This is position trading, where you hold for long term. This is swing trading, where you hold for a few days out the week, through the week. This is intraday, which is daily trading. We are out before the day is over with. And this is scalping. Every hour, you're in and out. Alright, so whichever one that you prefer based off your trading style or how much time you got or whatever, your lifestyle is what you would choose, the setups that you need. Me personally, I got all the time in the world because I'm a full-time trader, so I'm scalping and I'm doing intraday. And I got a couple swing trades just sitting in there if I need to. So look, so we're gonna go over intraday real quick. Daily to an hour. So you go to the day. Let's go back to a random day. Cool. Alright. So what do we do first? If you need my strategy, go back into the previous video. I give my strategy. I have this in the description of the strategy. So this is the daily native strategy. It's basically the same. I don't know where I showed it in the natives video. That's why I said native strategy, but it's my daily strategy. Go to the daily chart. First thing you do. Days, 1 day. Go to the daily chart, 1 day. You look at, what does this say next? Find your market structure, trend. Okay, we see that we're in a downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. The blue EM, whenever the blue EMA is under the red, boom, downtrend, right? Okay. Next, was the previous day a bullish or bearish candle? As we can see, it's bullish. Next, if bullish, take fib from the low to the high of candle, then look for buy entries. Take your fib, low, high. Go to 1 hour chart for entry. Wait for your signal entry based off your fractals. Okay, so we're looking for buy entries. So we drop down to the hour. Let's go into this day. First hour of the day, second hour of the day. We're waiting for our buy entry. Still waiting, still waiting. There it is. Okay, so when this pops up on our TradingView charts, on the PipsAllYear charts, we ready to go. We're ready to buy. So we buying on that next candle open. As soon as that candle open, stop loss area, take profit in the take profit area. Yeah. Let's get it. Run it up. Been consolidating all day. Finally went up, hit your TP. Cool. Alright. That's a trade, man. Now let's show you one more. And I'm out of here. A weekly. Let's do a swing trade, weekly to a 4 hour. Cool. Go to the week. Clear off your charts. Every day you clearing off your charts. Let's go back. Yeah. Alright, let's go back to a random day. Hold on, I'll go a little bit more random, something I didn't even see. Alright. Yeah. Random week. Same thing. Same strategy. But that's it, except we on the daily chart. Go to the daily chart, find your structure and your trend. Where we at? Uptrend. We're making higher highs, higher lows. The blue is over the red, uptrend. Mark your day. Oh, this is a week. Got a bullish candle for the week. Let me see if I can find y'all bearish setup. Let me do a bearish setup because I just did a bullish setup. So I'll do this bearish setup right here. Alright. So we come in the market right here. We'll see we made a bearish candle. So on the bearish candle, you take it from the top, from the bottom, because the move went down. Alright, that's the week. What we do next, bearish candle, take the fear from the high to the low of the candle, then look for sell entries. In this case, you'll drop down to the 4-hour chart for your entry and wait for the fractal. 4-hour chart, wait for the fractal. Drop down to the 4. Let's get it. Let it push. Waiting for that fractal sell. Waiting for that fractal sell. Yeah, right there. We entering in on this next candle. Alright. Entering in on that next candle. Stop loss in the stop loss area. Take profit area. Let's go. Y'all see it? That's all you gotta do, man. You'll have your PipsAllYear chart set up just like this. All you gotta do is draw your fib on the markup time frames. Put your fib on there. And then you drop down to your entry time frame and wait for your fractal. You already got your fib. You already know which way the market got it. You wanna go. You wanna take it to the TPs. Holla at y'all, man. It's PipsAllYear.